हेलो एवरीवन। तो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है इट इज कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ अ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर व्हेन पार्शियली फिल्ड विद कंडक्टिंग स्लैब। तो बेसिकली हम बात करने वाले हैं कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर पार्शियली फिल्ड विद कंडक्टिंग स्लैब। इससे प्रीवियस जो हमारा वीडियो था उसमें हम लोगों ने स्टडी किया था कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर व्हेन पार्शियली फिल्ड विद डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब। नाउ दिस इज द केस ऑफ कंडक्टिंग स्लैब। सो हमने क्या किया, we have taken two metallic plates. Charge was given to plate A and a conducting slab of thickness T. This one is what? Conducting slab of thickness T was introduced between the plates of the capacitor and the outer side is earthed. Now we have to determine its capacitance. Basically बात यह है, in the space when it was air or vacuum, electric field was E naught, and since the electric field inside the conductor was zero, so E equals to 0. Since the slab is conducting and inside the conductor the electric field is 0, देखिएगा जो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है V equals to, it is electric field into separation. Here this separation is D and area of plate is capital A. Let it be A dash. Let this plate be B dash. And here the area of plate is A. Electric potential is electric field into separation, and here electric field is E naught and the separation is this one and this one, so it will be D minus T. So E naught into D minus T plus electric field E into separation is T, but here E is 0, that's why electric potential is Q naught D minus T. अगर हम बात करें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की, E naught is sigma over epsilon naught and sigma is charge per unit area, so E naught comes to be Q over A epsilon naught. This is electric field intensity between the plates of capacitor when the space is air or vacuum. So electric potential will be Q over A epsilon naught. It will be D minus T. This is the electric potential, that is V, that is equals to Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T. Now we have determined V. With the help of V, we can determine the electrical capacitance. Q equals to CV, C equals to Q over V, D की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे, C equals to Q over V, it is Q, this one is epsilon naught A, it will be D minus T. This will cancel out. That C equals to epsilon naught A over D minus T. So this is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when the space between the plates is partially filled with conducting slab. Basically here T is the thickness of the slab and D is the separation between the plates of the capacitor. Now there are two special cases. In the first case, when slab completely fills the space. जब स्लैब इस स्पेस को कंप्लीटली फिल करेगी, in that case T equals to D, this thickness of slab T is equals to D, and when T equals to D, then capacitance will be epsilon naught A over D minus D. It will be epsilon naught A over 0. This will be infinite. In that case the capacitance will be infinite. Now हमें रीजन जानना पड़ेगा कि आखिर कैपेसिटेंस इनफाइनाइट कैसे हुआ. Now this conducting slab completely fills the space. This is conducting slab. Capacitance becomes infinite. It means that its tendency to accept the charge becomes infinite, that any amount of charge can be given to metal plate A. With the help of this conducting slab, this charge goes directly inside the earth, and earth can accept any amount of charge, so its capacity to store charge becomes maximum, becomes infinite, and that's why its capacitance becomes infinite. That is, the metal plate A can accept any amount of charge, and that charge that is given to metal plate A goes directly inside the earth with the help of the conducting slab. That's why its capacitance becomes infinite. Now it is the second case when a space between the plates is air or vacuum. When the space is air or vacuum, तो मैं जरा इसकी बात करता हूँ. It means the conducting slab was not there. It means that thickness T is equals to 0, and when T equals to 0, then the medium between the plates of capacitor will be air or vacuum. And earlier we have determined the electrical capacitance for that case. That is in the relation C equals to epsilon naught A over D minus T. We'll put T equals to 0 here. So we'll get C equals to epsilon naught A over D. This is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when the space between the plates is air or vacuum. That is, conducting slab was absent in the case. That was the complete topic capacitor. Now in the next lesson we will study about electric current, that is unit number 2, current electricity we have to study. That was up to this. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो you can just like this channel. आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और वीडियो